Hey guys, in this lecture I'll show you how to change data types, how to duplicate fields, and and other functionalities in the data pane. So let's get started. So each of these different features are already available at the data source level, but these can be changed at the data pane as well. So in order to change them, all you need to do is go to the field, and right next to it you can click here and you can change the data type. So you can change it from something like customer ID to a whole number. Also, there are other functionalities. You can also duplicate this field, so you can just right click on it, go to duplicate, and it will create a copy of this existing field. And from here you can create aliases, and you can edit this out. Some other functionalities in the data pane are you can right click on it and you can rename the field, you can hide the field, you can delete the field, you can create aliases, you can create a calculated field on top of it, you can split it, and you can change the data type, you can change the default properties of it, you can change the color, shapes, you can sort it, and you can also add it to a folder, you can create a hierarchy, you can replace references, and you can describe. Describe basically tells you where this calculation is coming from, or where this field is coming from. It's a discrete dimension, contains null, none, and it contains other values.